Welcome everybody to codezing.org. Today I'm going to show you how to get Python installed on your computer. It's easy to do, so let's head over to the website codezing.org. If you click on any of the links that kind of lead to Python, to get Python, or get Python down there, or get Python here, try to kind of cover the site in it so you can easily get Python. So a little bit of background on Python in here. You can read about the man who created Python, Guido van Rossum. You can look him up on Wikipedia or search for him online and find out more about how it was created and what it's used for. But let's get the installation package here. So there's two installations that I show on the website. The first one is just for the Python standard library, and the second is for Anaconda. I recommend that you get Anaconda because it has a lot of the most popular libraries already downloaded and included, and it also includes the Spider IDE, the Integrated Development Environment, which is a separate free piece of software that allows you to write the code and run the code easily and efficiently. And since we're all beginners, I really recommend doing the Anaconda. So unless you really want to continue and just get the Python standard library, then you just stop this video, head over to the Anaconda installation, and watch the Anaconda installation. For those of you that just want the Python standard library and maybe you have your own IDE, you don't want to use Spider, or you want to do it in a text editor, which is perfectly fine, we'll continue with the standard library installation. So a couple little links to just get to python.org. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see download Python base code only. The only snag with just doing the base code is that you have to also install all of the libraries that you want as well. And our tutorials don't use a ton of external libraries, but it's a little simpler to use Anaconda. Plus you get the Spider IDE, which is really helpful. I think it's much easier than doing the text editor method, but maybe you have a different IDE and you just want the standard library. You can click on download Python base code only, and it'll take you to python.org/downloads, and it'll automatically detect like what system you're using. I'm using Windows. If you're using Mac or Linux, you can click on links to get to those installations. But really all you have to do is click download Python. It'll download an executable file for you, and then you walk through all the steps. So once it finishes downloading, open it up. And since I already have it installed, it's just asking if I want to modify or repair, uninstall. But simple steps to click through if you haven't already installed it. You can see there's lots of historical releases. Since you're just beginning, I would go with the most latest, greatest version that they're offering, and that's what the codezing.org examples are coded in Python 3. So. Click on that, follow the walkthrough installer, and you should be all set. Once you get it installed, you'll be ready to start coding. So good luck. If you have any questions or have any struggles getting it installed on your computer, you can email info@codezing.org, or you can leave comments in the video, and I'll see what I can do to help you get it installed. So, all right.